Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Bank of Colorado app review to see with what you're using. So let's get started. The Bank of Colorado app gives customer mobile access to their account with features like checking balance, viewing recent transaction, transferring funds, paying bills, deposit check, and sending money with Zelle. It also includes debit card control, account alert, and a branch/ATM locator. The app is available on both iOS and Android, which makes it convenient for everyday banking need. However, the app has mixed review, with user reporting occasional glitches, slow loading, and limited transaction history visibility. Some customers also note delay in receiving alert or update. While it covers essential mobile banking features, the app isn't as polished as larger national bank apps. So in my conclusion, the app worth it if you are already a Bank of Colorado customer and want a secure way to handle basic banking tasks on the go. But the app is not ideal if you expect a flawless, future-backed mobile banking experience within the circle. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.